Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the game is fully updated and you're logged into GTA Online. This unlocks current wardrobe items. Once done, confirm you have free outfit slots and access to the wardrobe or a clothing store. You'll need a place to save the Chrome Heart item. If using a special promotion or timed event, make sure you're in the right session type. These steps ensure the item can appear and be saved to your character without hiccups. Next, you actively hunt the Chrome Heart item. Visit major clothing stores and browse all sections, including accessories and branded lines. Rare items sometimes appear under unexpected tabs. Make sure to open the interaction menu and check for social club or event unlocks, since Chrome Heart may be delivered as a reward. If it's tied to DLC or a bundle, double-check that the pack is installed and purchased in-game. Otherwise, the item won't show. Keep sessions active while browsing to prevent menu glitches. Finally, buy or equip Chrome Heart and immediately save it to an outfit slot so it won't be lost on logout. If the item fails to appear or disappears after saving, first restart your session and reload GTA Online to resync inventory. This resolves most cache issues. Make sure the DLC is still active on your account. If problems persist, gather screenshots and timestamps, then contact Rockstar support or check official event notices so you can prove eligibility and recover the item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.